In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Microsoft Word for specific words, numbers, and more. If you're working with a long Microsoft Word document and need to quickly find a specific word, number, or other text, you don't have to search through the document manually. Microsoft Word has a built-in Find feature that makes it much easier to locate specific content. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to search. To begin searching, go to the Home tab at the top of the Word window. In the Editing section, look for the Find option and click it. A navigation pane will appear on the left side of the document. At the top of this pane, you'll see a search box where you can enter the content you're looking for. Click inside the search box and type the specific word, phrase, its number you want to find. As you type, Word will automatically search through the document and highlight the matching results. The navigation pane will also show you how many matches were found and display the sections where those matches appear. You can click any of the results in the navigation pane to quickly jump directly to that location in your document. This is especially useful when you're working with a document containing many pages and need to find information quickly. For example, if you're looking for a specific word, simply enter that word into the search box. If you're looking for a number, you can enter the number instead, and Word will search for matching results throughout the document. You can also search for a phrase by entering multiple words into the search box. Word will then look for that text within the document and highlight the matching results. As you move through the results, Word will take you from one matching location to the next, allowing you to review each occurrence without manually scrolling through the document. When you're finished searching, you can close the navigation pane and continue working on your document. The Find feature is a simple but useful tool for locating specific information in Microsoft Word. It can save time, especially when you're working with reports, articles, lists, or other documents that contain a large amount of text. And that's how you can search Microsoft Word for specific words, numbers, phrases, and other text using the built-in Find feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,